Hi everybody, my name is Rahish. Today we are going to know the functions of adjectives in the sentence and the making of adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify nouns or pronouns by giving some information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, quantity, or material. For example, I have a nice pen. That is opinion. I have a new pen. The age. I have a small pen. Size. I have a black pen. Color. I have a Japanese pen. Origin. I have a slim pen. Shape. I have a golden pen. Material. I have few pens. Quantity. Adjectives convey a sense of which, what kind, or how many, or how much, about nouns or pronouns. For example, I like green salad. What kind? That boy hit me. Which boy? I need two pens. How many? I bought some new slim French trousers. What kind? Unlike in many other languages, adjectives in English do not agree or change with the noun that they modify. For example, here is one of the most important scholars in his field, but don't say importance scholars. He is the Director of Public Affairs, but don't say public's affairs. What do adjectives look like? There is no general rule for making adjectives. We know they are adjectives usually by what they do, I mean their function in a sentence. Suffixes. However, some words ending in suffixes are typical of adjectives. For example, able or ible, invisible, responsible, adorable, or comfortable. Al, gradual, industrial, illegal, comical. An or ish, Indian, urban, British, foolish. Ful, peaceful, wonderful, faithful, delightful. Ent, silent, different, violent. Ous, jealous, nervous, mysterious. Ical or ic, political, alphabetical, gigantic, athletic. Ive, repulsive, inexpensive, creative. Y, silly, happy, clumsy, jolly. Less, helpless, thoughtless, voiceless. SOME, handsome, awesome. Prefixes such as UN, IN, IM, IL, and IR change the meaning of adjectives. Adding these prefixes makes the meaning negative. For example, UN, unlucky, unjust, unfair. IL, IM, IN, IR, insecure, irregular, illegal, impossible, impolite, and illogical, etc. That's all. Take care and have a nice time.